Welcome back. Over the next few slides, I want to give you a quick peek into what we know about the up and coming and well anticipated sales app for Business Edition. So for those of you that were familiar with CRM Online and the existing sales functionality, think about that when you understand the features and functions that will be included in Business Edition sales. So focus on the four core entities of sales: accounts, leads, opportunities, and contacts. So they're the main needs of a sales team. So we're talking contact and opportunity management will be included. Now, in terms of extensibility, we are going to allow for extensibility, some of which the customers will be able to do themselves, like changing a field name through the form editor as an example. And for creating custom entities, we're also going to allow for that. However, please note that there will be a restriction on the number of custom fields, workflows, and entities. We don't yet have clarification on that number yet. There will be a good number available, but just bear in mind that there will be some restrictions as we won't be providing all of the enterprise sales functionality in the Business Edition, as we do need to have that differentiation, especially with a significantly competitive price point that we have for Business Edition. So in terms of look and feel, it will be simpler, less white space, better graphics, better display of dashboards, and I'll show you a few screenshots in a moment. It's going to be easier to onboard, so taking away some of the pain points that customers have complained about before. And of course, mobility. As I've already mentioned, we will have mobile apps across platform for phone, tablet, Outlook, and on the web. So it's sized and optimized for SMB, simple to start and learn, and really focused on the right things to get them onboarding with business apps. So to give you a flavor of what the new user interface will look like, here you can see it's a lot cleaner, it's newer, the graphics are better, the components can be moved around so it's personalizable. It really allows the user to build up and fit the view in the way that they want to see it. So we're bringing in a new unified client, which allows us to deploy clients with the same look and feel, so across the web, across the tablet, and across the phone. So here you can get a feel for what the process flow looks like. So notice again, it is cleaner. For those of you that were familiar with the Interactive Service Hub, this will look familiar to you as well because it is using the same UI, and that's something that we've seen in Enterprise Edition service. And we're also bringing back the tabs. So for swifter navigation, ease of use, no scrolling down through lengthy form, just a lot easier for the user to get on with the task that they need to be performing. And again, similar theme across mobile devices. Notice that we've streamlined, the UI is consistent with that deploy everywhere theme. And in terms of the simple setup, so specifically talking sales here you can see a quick walkthrough. So starting with basic setup, whereby picking the colors and the personalization for the company, moving through to automatically provisioning integration with Exchange and SharePoint, through to importing contacts from Excel or CSV files, and then actually being able to review the settings. But you'll notice we really are making it as easy as possible to provide the user with simple setup, which is all stored in the same place. And lastly, up next is next steps and go-dos.